Hey guys, Brian Beatty, Allied Advisor Group with Century 21 affiliated. Florida homeowners insurance rates are going up, and today we're talking about how to get the best rates. Please hit the subscribe button so we can share more knowledge with you in the future. Hey guys, today we are talking about how do you get the best homeowners insurance rates. Well, there's a big question between best and cheapest. If you're going for cheapest, you're going to call 1-800 number, click on an app, download something. You're not going to get personalized service. You may not even get the right coverages for the home that you own. So be careful with that. The very first thing I suggest is reaching out to somebody that you know, like, and trust in your local area that covers homeowners insurance. Somebody that knows what's going on and is an expert in their field. I am not, but this is what I have noticed helping many of my clients that are struggling either with their current policies or trying to get a policy that makes sense. First and foremost, reach out to one, if not more, of your local homeowners insurance agents that know your market. They will guide you. 99% of the time, the high rates or the bad rates come with a very old or aged roof. So, roof age is number one. Electric panels can be a disqualifier. Water heaters sitting outside of a pan inside of an interior of a home can be an issue. Different types of plumbing, piping. ACs that are in attics that don't have a pan or a safety device under them to prevent water damage. Just realize that the insurance companies are very interested in four different things. And this is why we recommend having a home inspection done and have a 4-point inspection for insurance that will cover the roof, the AC, the plumbing, and the electric. These are the four main categories that cause insurance claims, that cost insurance companies. So if you have a clean 4-point inspection and you have a inspection done that shows that the roof is not aged, the electric's in good shape, the plumbing's in good shape, the AC's in good shape, chances are you can get a better rate. Some companies, you have to be careful with. The big name companies are only going to be able to sell certain policies, where a broker maybe have access to several different policies. So our biggest thing I tell people is just get the quotes from local people and be careful on what the policy covers. Compare your rates and coverages between the different quotes that you get. Sometimes they're not quoting what you would normally get with another policy. So compare, make sure it's apples to apples, make sure the coverage is going to be there. I also recommend that no matter which company you go with, pay attention to the reviews from the existing clients about what the response is, how the coverage is taken care of, if they covered it, and did they drop you after, or did they drop people after they submitted a claim. You don't want to have to just submit a claim and then lose your policy. So, I would highly suggest also, if you're in a flood insurance area, to put eyes on, make sure that you're paying the right amount. The latest flood zone maps have changed. Your area could have gotten worse. It could have gotten better. Not a whole lot of that happening. And there is a possibility to find out whether or not your home is actually in the flood zone or just the property's in a flood zone. So if you're paying an exorbitant rate on flood insurance because you're in a flood zone area, you're going to want to talk to somebody and make sure that you're not overpaying for something you shouldn't be paying for. Just realize that your local insurance agent is going to be your best resource on figuring out the best ways to combat either your rising rates or the possibility that you got we're going to drop your policy or cancel your policy. There are a lot of insurance companies leaving the state of Florida currently. So it's going to cost more to insure a home. It's just because supply and demand, the amount of supply in different insurance companies that are covering homes is going down. The demand is still here. The policy rates are going to go up, but make sure you're not overpaying or paying for something that you're not going to get any benefit out of. No eye-opening experience here, but we get a lot of questions for first-time home buyers or new home buyers in the Florida market, and they see the rates or people that have bought in the last year or two are calling back going, oh my God, I need another insurance agent. My rates just went up. Please reach out. We'd be happy to do that. If you need a home inspector to do a 4-point or what's called a wind mitigation report, which would get you discounts should you have a newer roof. And that's the thing. If you put a newer roof on, if you put a newer AC system in, if you just replaced the electric panel, had the water heater done, and they pulled a permit and did everything to code, have a wind mitigation report done to show that everything is done right, and you might save some money on your policy. So hopefully you got something from this. If you did, we'd love to have you subscribe, and we're going to give you regular updates on different ways to hopefully save you money on your home and how-tos in the future. Have a great day, everyone.